Okay, let's look at rationalizing denominators. So given this as a fractional sort a over root b, whenever you have a sort in this form, you can rationalize the denominator. And how do you do that? So if you're given a over root b and you want to rationalize the sort, then it will be in the form a over root b times root b over root b. So you're multiplying the numerator and denominator by the denominator. To rationalize a over root b, you are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. So we have a over root b times root b over root b. If you multiply, that will give us a root b over b to the power 2. And that will be a root b over b. This will be the final result to rationalize the denominator. So if you have a number in this form, 2 root 7, and you're asked to rationalize the denominator, that will be 2 over root 7 times root 7 over root 7. This will give us 2 root 7 over root 49. And root 49 is 7. So we have 2 root 7 over 7. That is the final result, the rationalized result. If you have 5 over root 5 and you're asked to rationalize the denominator, that will be 5 over root 5 over root 5 times root 5 over root 5. This will give us 5 root 5 over root 25. And we know that root 25 is 5. So our answer will be 5 root 5 over 5, because the square root of 25 is 5. So this will be the final result, but we can reduce further because 5 can cancel 5. So our answer will be just root 5. So this sort that takes this from 5 over root 5, if you rationalize it, you have the final result as 5 root 5. So if you're asked to rationalize the sort, that is how you go about it, the denominators of a sort. And you only do that when the denominator is a sort, not when it is an ordinary number. You cannot rationalize 5 over 7 by saying times 7 over 7. You don't do that. You're wrong here. You only do that if the denominator is a sort, 5 over root 7. Then you can do 5 over root 7 times root 7 over root 7. And that will give us 5 root 7 over root 49. And our final answer will be 5 root 7 over 7. This will be our final result. So you only rationalize denominators if they are in sort form. Otherwise, you don't need to rationalize denominators if they are in this form. You only do that if they are in sort forms. You can rationalize them to get your final result. So see you in our next other class.